little bit challenging because you require to manipulate the matrix. The matrix and the matrix are a huge matrix. So you require some programming skills. But it's also quite important to fully understand the Vx and Vy. We will know our Voronoi. The only information that we take from the Voronoi is the Vx and Vy. So you only need to manipulate this information. So to fully understand the structure of the Vx and Vy are very important. So these are some questions that have been frequently asked by previous students. So for the Vx and Vy, so you know the Vx and the Vy, both are two columns. So both are two row matrix. You know they are 2 by something. This one is also 2 by the same dimension. So I assume the first one is x1, 1. This one is x2, 1. So the Vx only contains the x coordinates. That's the name. That's why we have the name of x. So the Vy are only the y coordinate. It's 1. It's 1. So what's the meaning? What's the meaning of these 4 values to define an edge? We know this set of 4 values will define an edge. So for an edge like this, we got 2 points. We got 2 points, starting point, ending point. We can determine this edge. So the starting point with the coordinate given by this x1, this xy1, and this y1. These are the coordinates corresponding to the first row here and the first row from Vy. And the ending point, the coordinates given by the x21 and the y21. So now you know the meaning of the index. So the x means these are the x coordinates. So the y means the y coordinate. So the sub-index is 1 and here means, so this corresponding to the first point, and 2 means corresponding to the second point. And this one and here means is the first edge. Define the first edge. So the next one will define the next 4 values will define the second edge. These are the second edge. This is the first edge. So if you want to plot this edge, you may use this command. So just plot. So use the Vx, the first column. We know the first column corresponding to the first edge. So the x coordinate, the y coordinate, also corresponding to the first column. Then for example, you use a red color solid line. If you run this command, you will see which edge has been highlighted in your diagram. You know you partition the space like this, so all the information are given in Vx and Vy. So if you run this command, you will see, for example, this line is highlighted. This line is highlighted. But which line is the first line is quite random. Quite random. But definitely, if you run this code, you will find one of the lines highlighted. If you change this to 2, you will see another edge is highlighted. So I just summarize what we have learned in this lecture, and also you will use the method in your assignment. So the first step is to spread the random points in the region. Then one of your questions to yourself will be how many random points to place. So I will give this question to you to investigate in the assignment. So secondly, you can run the Voronoi algorithm. So this algorithm will divide the space into segments. So the nodes and all the edges are known. You know we got the Vx and the Vy. So actually this matrix gives you all the information that you need to deal with. So all the nodes, all the edges about the graph are known. Then you can define the distance. Then from here, the Voronoi only give you this nodes, like in the GPS navigation. So you know all the waypoints, all the turning points in your road, but the distance has not been calculated. So you will need. So from this you can calculate the distance. For all the edges. Like in the GPS navigation, so you will determine the distance for each road between 2 points. So the next step will be to remove the nodes inside the obstacle. Inside the obstacles. So here we assume the obstacles are already well defined, so the shape is known. So for example, you got a building, you got a lake, so all this information are already known. So you can use the information to remove the nodes from the map. So finally is to find the discrete segments from the starting point to the destination with the shortest distance. So this will be the steps that you require in your assignment. So how to find the shortest distance, so we will discuss that in the next lecture. Okay, so that's all for today.